So we're taking a look at this $20 keyboard off of Amazon. It's a wireless keyboard, RGB. It has, let's see what we got here, 2.4 gigahertz wireless gaming keyboard with a battery. It's a battery size 2,000 milliamp hours. So it is RGB, and I will say the one thing that you might not be expecting is this keyboard does not stay on all the time. It turns off, and as soon as you press a key, it lights up. But it has a 1 minute timer, so once it passes 1 minute, it will shut back off like this, and then as soon as you press a key again, it lights back up. But I think that for $20, this keyboard is a pretty good deal. I think it is not a mechanical keyboard. It is in fact a membrane keyboard. I guess you would say in the style of a mechanical keyboard, and it's not actual. I don't know what technically is considered RGB, but you can't change the color of these lights. This is the way that the keyboard will always look. This light's always red, this one's orange, this one's always green, so on and so forth. You do get a couple options though. You can adjust the brightness. So pressing the function key and arrow down is where you can adjust the brightness level. So up arrow, brightness up, down arrow, brightness down. So there's 3 levels of that. So we're currently on the highest one, so down one, down another one, and then completely off. And then over here they have a feature called breathing. So the keyboard, the lights will get brighter and dimmer, and you can adjust the speed that happens with going function left or right. And it is a 60% keyboard, and I think that they did a pretty good job with layering all the other function keys. So obviously if you press function and then function and 4, it'll actually be F4 and so on and so forth. Like T is volume up, E is, I guess, your music button, things of that sort. So I think they did a pretty good job with that. I would say the overall feel of the board feels really good. Was honestly not expecting it to be this nice for 20 bucks. It does not move around when you're playing. It sits on the desk, really sturdy. Obviously it's an all plastic construction. It's just kind of going to be what you get for 20 bucks, but honestly I am not upset at all. It comes with these little rubber pads at the bottom, and you can flip these up here if you wanted to use it at an angle like that. It came with a USB transmitting stick so that you can use in wireless applications, and it does come with a USB-C charging cable. So if you wanted to leave this plugged in the entire time, you can do that, and then you can use it wirelessly on the go if whatever your use case is. So you can turn this keyboard on and off with the little switch on the back here. And I believe that these lights will tell you whether it's low battery or fully charged. So if we turn this on, lights up red. I believe that's because the battery is not charged all the way. But yeah, I would say that for 20 bucks, pretty good deal. Yeah, I would, if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. I'll respond, or I'll make a video showing something more in detail. But yeah, that's going to be it.